Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you notice that your desktop wallpaper is non-existent on your Windows 10 computer, and no matter if you're trying to change the wallpaper with different images, you notice it doesn't change. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Select the setting gear icon on the left side where if you hover over it, it says settings. So go ahead and just left click on that one time. Select the ease of access tile. And then on the left side, make sure you select display. And then on the right, scroll down where it says show desktop background image. Toggle this to the on position by clicking inside the oval one time. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.